What is up, people? We are back in another Roblox video with my little brother Arham Nafis. And before this video starts, use the star code Umar and Arham plays in checkout while you are buying Robux. It would really help us out. And today we are gonna play Strongman Simulator. So I recently rebirthed inside of the Strongman Simulator. So this is gonna be a series until I can rebirth again. So the series is gonna end when I can rebirth again. Today I will start as a noob and then become a mega noob with the help of my little brother, which makes cheats. So the minecart glitch to make me bigger. So we are literally gonna cheat in this video. Yes, that is it. We are literally gonna cheat. Can I even grab a sushi though? I can, but bro, what happened to my camera? My camera literally glitched out. That is why I needed to leave. Also, Arham is not recording today. If you don't remember the color blocks video we did earlier, our second video, Arham was not recording in that video. So yes, he's not recording in this video as well. He recorded in the piggy video that we did. The title was I became a piggy monster and killed my brother. Yeah, he recorded in that video but didn't record in this video for some reason. I don't know if it is his alternate day of not recording and then recording. Now let's see if I can grab a sushi though. Wait, let's cheat. Arham, can you bring some minecarts? Like, we are in a video call right now, so he can listen to me, but his voice will not come to you guys. Arham, bring a minecart. Where is backup? I need backup. Arham, is he even gonna come anytime soon? He is saying he will come, but he's literally not coming. Arham, are you gonna come here anytime soon? I can see you. I can see you. I can see your minecart. Come to the sushis. Come here. Yes. Let me in. What? They just went over my head. Let me in, bruh. What did you mean? Oh, I'm in. Let's go. Yeah, this was the cheat I was talking about. The minecart glitch. We made it. Let's go, Aram. Wait. So yeah, this was the minecart glitch I was talking about. If one of your friends inside of like Roblox Strongman Simulator is very big and you are like playing for the first time and you are like a baby noob or something, you can use this glitch very well if your friends can access the 4th level. If it is, and like, yeah, this is a very efficient glitch that works. Arham, let me in your minecart, bruh. Okay, I'm in. Arham, go. Sorry for that. This is like a really efficient. Arham, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm in the fort. What are you doing? I still have the Okay, it's done. It's done. Okay, sorry about that. So like, you can use this glitch to like time travel across all of the stages if your friend can access all of them. If it is, I'm in the minecart but I'm not. Okay, I'm in. What happened to you? What happened? Wait, what happened, Arham? What? Why did my camera zoom out? I can see you. What the heck, dude? The game just glitched out. Bring another minecart, bruh. Like, if you know that I rebirthed and you are a pro, you can see on top of my screen it's rebirths 1 Umar Farooq 15 noob. And also, if you want to play with us, send us a friend request inside of Roblox. Names are Arham Nafis and Umar Farooq 15. We check our friends list every single week. So if you are lucky and you have sent us a friend request, you maybe get added to our friends. if I unfriend someone anytime soon, because I have 200 friends and Arham has 64. So like he can add you as friends, but I can't. So if you are lucky, then you can get added if I unfriend someone, because I do that. Arham, what are you doing? Please let me in. Right now, like I'm talking to Arham. I'm talking to Arham and talking about the video at the same Arham. What? I'm still not in. Why is the minecart glitched so much, bruh? Can you go in another level? Can we go? What happened? Why are you doing nothing? Okay, I have grabbed pie. Now come. Can we go? I'm in. What happened? Where are you? Okay. What are you doing? This video is gonna be insane. Just why can you not go in the other level? What are you saying? Why can you not go there? You are literally stuck. What the heck, dude? Okay, bring another minecart. So as I was saying, we discovered some insane glitches today inside of Dino Land Strongman Simulator. So stay tuned for those glitches because they are insane. They also require the minecart. This is the plot. Literally, we are cheating using the minecart. Let me in. I'm in. Go Arham. Okay, yeah. So like we countered some insane glitches in this video. So watch until the end. Arham, I'm grabbing a pool table. Never mind. I'm grabbing 2 pool tables. Now let me in your minecart. Why is that girl in your minecart, bro? Okay, let's go. Hello, Arham. Hello. Okay. Can we go in the next level? You're a massive ribbed. I'm pretty sure you can, but you're not letting me. Why do you not want me to go in the next level? Okay. So if you like many more things, you lift things in this game and get bigger. Like Arham, he's very small, but when I was playing I was actually so big, but now I'm small again because I rebirthed myself. So yeah, this game is all about that. If you know the weightlifting simulator sequels and all of that, there was weightlifting simulator 1 to 9. I don't know why it was, because the games were literally the same thing, but they needed to make sequels. So like after weightlifting simulator 9, there was no weightlifting simulator 10. There was strongman simulator that we are playing, and we are recording the video. I'm a strong noob. The goal is to get mega noob again and do some more lifting weights after we get mega noob, and then we will end the video. And can I buy some new pets? Oh, they take a lot. Remember, I'm just a strong noob in this level, in the 5th level. This is like so big. I am so small. Can we be a massive noob? I want to be a massive noob. Where is Arham gone? Where is he? I literally can't see him. Where is he? He's literally gone. Oh, I see his minecart. I can see him. Yeah, come here, bro. I'm a massive noob. I didn't even notice, but I'm a massive noob now. Yo, bro, I don't want to get in your minecart. What is he doing? He's trolling me. He is literally trolling me right now. I don't want to get in your minecart, good sir. Why is he trolling me, bruh? Do not troll me. Can we be a mega noob? If we be a mega noob, that is gonna be insane. Like, this video is just 10 minutes long. What are we? What just happened to Aram? Why did he oh! Mega noob! We are mega noob! What is Aram even doing, bro? He's sitting in his own minecart. What is he doing? What just happened? He's literally... What is this? Why is he glitching so much? Why is he sitting in mid-air? Okay, Aram, I'm done. Let's cheat again. Let's cheat, bro. Why are you standing inside of me? Bro, he found so many weird glitches. Literally, he was inside. Where are you making me go? Let me take the carrot. Let me take the I have the carrot. I don't have the carrot. Bruh. Can he please? Can you? This guy, he's literally not even letting me get the hay bale or whatever this is. Can you just stop? You are literally sitting in your own minecart. Why is that? What happened? Why are you sitting in midair? How is he doing this? What is he doing? Why is he doing this, bruh? Oh, dude. Bruh. Why is he sitting in mid? Okay, he's finally moving. Aram, I literally have nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing, my guy. You can't go in that level. You are just a massive ribbed. Hello. What happened? What happened? Why did he literally left the game. Why did he left the game? Well, that is funny. He literally... Is he calling me? No, he literally cut the call as well. Okay. Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that will wrap it up. Bye-bye.